Is day 7, right?
Yeah.
Today's day 7 of the Godiva Truffle Challenge. I missed a couple days in a row because I was getting this dog. Come here! Say hello! Jamiska! You can't have a chocolate. No, you can't. No, you can't. Nope. Nope. Down. Okay. So today, I'm going to let Jeff choose my flavor. Which one?
Which side is yours?
This one.
That one.
The peanut one? You already had that one, but I don't remember what you said about it.
Either.
Okay. All I know, sorry, is that it has peanuts on it. I really can't remember. I think it was plain on the inside.
I don't remember at all.
What I do know is today is not the cherry day. That makes me pretty happy. All right. See what it is. I really can't remember.
Does he have any food or does he need to go out again?
I think he just, our new dog wants something. But I'm gonna eat this chocolate before I figure it out.
No. Jimmy!
It's like, I don't think they are peanuts. Maybe it is. There's something crunchy in there, other than the nuts, like Rice Krispie. Hey, you're not allowed to have this. Get down. Go on. Get down. No, down. Jimmy.
Come on.
Look at him. Down. Down. Okay. Well, that's it for today.